So we have some ITYs today at some amazing prices. Everything's going to be $10.99. Again, only for today and tomorrow, for the weekend. It'll go up to $14.99. They're all ITYs except for a couple. This is a netting and it's just beautiful. It's really, both sides are usable. So any kind of cover up or like 196, the cardi, this would be amazing in that. A little, or just any kind of cover up would be so cute because both sides are really usable. It is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Very nice. This is, I love this. This is an ITY black. Then it's got kind of a cork. And they're obviously the letters of the alphabet. Just cute. Just fun. Stretch in both directions. Cotton poly. Great drape. Great piece of fabric. So this is the real gold mine. There's 100% cotton. Both sides are usable. Black. Jet black. Just a great piece of fabric. Beautiful. Stretch in both directions. Just really nice. You know, new leggings, new yoga pants, if nothing else. But that's just a versatile fabric. For $10.99, that's really a giveaway. This is beautiful. I love the print on this. It is a cotton poly. It is an ITY. It has stretch in both directions. So these are just really slimming fabrics. Just really flattering. Florals are, I think, are always going to be in. This the colors for spring, the pinks, the yellows. Stretch in both directions. Really pretty and, you know, great drape. That's what ITYs are known for, is their great drape. And they're just beautiful. Look at this. It's just beautiful. It's got a little kind of a stripe through it, but it'd be fun. You could really do anything with it. Stretch in both directions again. Just a really gorgeous piece of fabric. Again, all of them today and tomorrow will be $10.99, and then next week, Monday, they'll go up. They always do. All right, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.